Appreciate you joining us for Deep River Farm. This is a second video here at this location. I wanted to show you where all the roadway was washed. See all this debris, just how it's piled up. All that sand down here. That's what we got here. They have done a little resurfacing here to restabilize the road, but that's about it. But there's a lot of sand here. A lot of sand washed in where the river basically went over the bridge, come over the road, and deposited all this out here. So a lot of stuff under all this old sand. Somebody's float. Here's another tarp. This is where you got to be careful about where you're stepping and everything. But this is basically where the water dumped back in and dumped back into the river from the height of it. A lot of sand rock out here. I appreciate you joining me. This is concludes this area right here. We'll get way down the river there. Look, so you can see all the sand. Thanks for joining.